Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes hands touch. First, gather your dry ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Combine these in a large mixing bowl. Whisk them together well to ensure everything is evenly distributed. This step is crucial for light and fluffy pancakes. Now, let's prepare the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 large egg. Once combined, pour this wet mixture directly into your bowl of dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. It's important not to overmix. A few small lumps are perfectly fine and will result in tender pancakes. It's time to cook. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until golden brown and bubbles appear on the surface. Flip carefully with a spatula. Repeat this process until all your delicious pancakes are ready. Your homemade pancakes are ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings like fresh berries, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a dollop of whipped cream. These are perfect for a weekend breakfast or a special treat. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your fluffy, delicious pancakes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.